Hello, my name is Decimal, and today I'm in Hamamatsu, Japan, known as the City of Music, here at Yamaha Innovation Road. So we're going to check out a lot of their instruments, the history of Yamaha, and the most important thing in the world, playing the CS-80. Yes, you heard me right, so let's go and check it out. Playing the CS-80 was such a treat, but I have to say the architecture on this synth was very different than anything I've ever played. It was challenging even to get the sounds that you're hearing now. However, after a bit of time, I was able to get the hang of it, sort of. Also, the pitch strip was super fun. I know that most people are interested in the CS-80, but there are so many instruments you can play here. As a former bass player, I had to try out the basses. There are also a bunch of guitars as well. However, most people visiting Yamaha Innovation Road were interested in playing the grand pianos, which they had plenty of. They also had a soundproof room with a drum kit, so naturally I went in and recorded a bunch of samples in it. They had a cello you can play. They also had an xylophone. They also had Yamaha's answer to Teenage Engineering's choir. This mixing board thing was also pretty cool. They also have something for DAW users, but much like a DAW, you shouldn't touch it. But let's get back into playing some of the synths. Here's a choir patch on the CLP 170. Here's some funny voices on the ELC-02. I also got to try out the DX1. Speaking of DX synths, they also have all the Reface synths in front of their big brothers. This is me playing the Reface DX in front of the DX7. Here is the Reface YC Compact. Here is the Reface CS. There was also a bunch of information about the history of Yamaha with some of the first products they have ever made. Visiting Yamaha Innovation Road was one of the best things I've done in Japan, and I enjoyed it so much that I had to go twice. When I come back to Japan, I will be making multiple stops here at Yamaha Innovation Road because I love it so much. And thanks for watching.